Hey guys, Ramblin Bob here again. So, okay, it's very late at night, and I just got an email that was kind of exciting for us. It has to do with Pecron, as you can see on the screen. So, we've been an affiliate for them for years. We bought their products way before we affiliate of Pecron. We started with the E2000 LFP. We now have, if I can name really quick here, we have the E1500 full stack. We have the E2000 full stack. We have the E3600 full stack. We have the E300, the E500, the E600. We have like 4 or 5, I think 4 solar panels, probably 4. And then we have the 500 watt car charger and all the other accessories. So we have purchased a lot of stuff and spent a lot of money through Pecron. Now, here's the cool thing about this video. I'm going to make it short and sweet. We finally got our own promo code. So for two years, we've been telling people how much we liked our stuff that we bought at Pecron, that we finally got our own promo code. It is, let's see, I went into all the power stations here. I just want to show you what it is and see what it affects on the Pecron, at least right now. I don't know how long this is going to last. It might be permanent, which I hope, and it might be for a short time. So I'll keep track of it. I'll give updates as I learn about it. It's our first official promo code that goes directly to Pecron stuff. So if you make a purchase, we actually earn a very small commission here on this channel. It helps us grow. It helps us save money or not us, but it helps other people save money. You know, if they want to buy anything like that, or if they like a certain power station or a battery or a solar panel or accessory or just whatever you want, whatever you need. So that was our purpose here, is to hopefully help each other, plus us, educate ourselves and all of our scribers on how this technology works and how to use it and what it can be used for, things like that. So we're kind of all growing together, and this is just another step of kind of climbing that ladder here and try to figure out ways that we can help our viewers if they're in the market for this stuff. If not, that's okay, but if they are, it'll save an extra couple bucks. Like if you were to buy a system like, I don't know, here, this one here, the E1500 LFP, it would save, I think, about 25 bucks. We get a 5% off code, but let's see what it actually affects. So I put one of every system in the shopping cart. I also put one of every solar panel in the shopping cart to see if our promo code will affect the sale price of all this stuff. So here's the 3 solar panels. Those are in the shopping cart. And I also put the accessories, because we're going to test this code live. It's the first time I've ever tested the code, so I'm really excited about it, guys. We worked really hard on this channel, and we're trying to get, we have many promo codes from other companies, but we never really got our own from Pecron. So we're proud of it, and I think it'll help a lot of people save some bucks. And that's the key. That's the key. Get what you want, save some money, enjoy your stuff, and call it a day. I mean, I'm a very simple shopper that way. If I pay you $5, I want $5 from, worth of product, and then I go on my merry way. That's it. If I can get a deal, that's even sweeter. So I have this one in the cart here. This is the 500 watt charger. This is the power dumping cable, which I love. We use it literally every day. I power dump from the E3600 LFP to our E2000 LFP, and that way I have another 8,000 watt hours of backup standby power in case we go past the 15,000 watt hours of the E3600 maxed out. I also have this in there, even though we don't use it and we don't need it. If you get 2 E3600 LFPs and you can put them together and you can bring out 240 volts. That's cool. It's way too big for us because we don't need it, but for a lot of people, they need that heavy voltage for big stuff, big tools, and possibly heaters, or who knows what they're using for, induction stoves, or to put that actually into your like a transfer switch, or so, put it in your house or something like that. But we don't need that right now. I need a standalone system, and that's exactly what I got. Other than more batteries, you always need more battery capacity, it seems. So those 2 are in there, or those 3, I'm sorry, these 3 right here. And then there's also the other two, which is this new cable here for the F3000. Guys, if you get the F3000, the new power station, it does not, according to what people told us, does not come with this cable, and you have to have that in order to add the expansion batteries on. Hopefully they'll have either new batteries or an option where you can tell them, you know, hey, I want to use this for E1500, E3600, or the F3000, which is a different cable. This side is the same. It's the RJ32, I believe they call it. Let's see what they call it here. I'm sorry, MJ32. All these numbers and letters can get you really confused with this stuff. But you use this basically on the battery, and then this side goes into the F3000. Now, we don't have the F3000 yet, but that's one I hope to get in the future. So who knows? Only time will tell. And then this is the actual extender for the batteries. If you have a different configuration for your E1500, E1000, E3600, E2400, and you want to have it like the batteries maybe a little bit away from the main system, or you know, sideways, or anyhow where you don't have enough room or something, that's where a cable like this, it'll kind of expand that, so you can put the batteries either like way behind it on a different shelf. It gives you more opportunities to have a system and enjoy the configuration that you like. So those two are sold out. I have them up here, and I can't add them to the cart right now, so I don't know if our code will affect that, because obviously they're sold out. You can't add them to the cart. So these two are MIA right now, missing in action here. So I'm going to hit the cart. You can see I have 17 items in the cart, and we're going to see a little bit of a drum roll here. Like I said, I'm very excited. I worked very hard for this. We have tons of codes for other companies, but I always wanted my own Pecron one, and now I believe I have it. So let's see if it works here. We're going to look at the cart. Okay, I don't see anything affecting the price here. Oh, here's one. Okay, so the E2000 LFP is 5% off. Yep. And you get, let's see, so $32.50, I'm sorry, $32.45 saving. And this is our code now. It's RAMB Pecron. So obviously it stands for Ramblin Bob Reviews Pecron. So RAMB Pecron. That's going to be a hard one to remember for me, because I always want to say ramble. Here's another one here. E1000. Our code would save you 5%, which is $19.95. So at least it works on two systems. That's more than we had before. And like I said, if it can save people money, that's the game. All right, let's keep going to see if it works on any. Here's another one here, $26.45 off the E1500. So it saves a little chunk. Let's see, that's about 5%. So let's see, that's 1, 2, 3 that it could save on, or. Here's another one. Okay, so E3600. Guys, this is our favorite one right now. This is our main power station that we use to power everything that we do here, including tools, heaters for short times, air conditioners. We have about 5,000 watts of solar panels hooked to it. Actually, it's 4,800, but I round it to about 5,000 just in my brain so I can remember the numbers. Numbers are tough to remember sometimes, guys, because there's so many of them. Here, 62.95 off the system. So that's cool. I mean, if you were going to buy this anyway and you used our code and you saved $63, that would fill up your gas tank, unless you got a crazy big vehicle where, you know, if you're like, I don't know, New York or California, where it's just crazy expensive for gas. But that's awesome. I'm really excited today, and Mrs. Ramblin Bob is really excited too. And that looks like it doesn't affect any of the accessories I noticed here. Woohoo! So yeah, well, here's Miss Ramblin Bob's here. She heard me talking. Woo! So this is our new code, dear. It's RAMB and then Pecron. So we finally got our own code.
We got our own code.
I wish it worked on everything on their website. We are a people now. We're officially a people, at least with Pecron.
We're Pecron people.
We're Pecron people. Yeah, we're Pecrons.
What?
Speak for yourself.
Oh.
All right. So these 4 systems, guys. So what I'll do is I will remove, just so people can see a lot easier, I'm going to remove all of the ones that it does not affect. Let's go up here. This is going to take a minute, guys. I apologize. Okay. But I wanted to put one of each system in just to see, and the accessories of the panels, just to see what it works on. Because like I said, I just got the email, and they set up a promo code for me, and I was just like, or us, and I was just like, yes, we finally got a promo code. Like, we're moving up that ladder. Thank you to all the scribers who've come to this channel to, you know, either help or learn or teach or whatever, or just chat about solar power. It is my absolute favorite hobby in the whole world right now, other than eating. I like eating, guys. You know, I like steak and potatoes and popcorn and all that stuff. Nachos. Okay, so those are the 4 systems, guys. You have the E3600, the E1500, the E1000, and the E2000 LFP. So what I'm going to do is hopefully I can do this here. I'm going to try to select this and screenshot these bad boys, and then I can put this in a post so people can actually see. I don't know if it worked, and of course it didn't. So let's see here. I got to do it again. All right, let's give me a second, guys. Here, I'm doing this live. The old saying is, "F it, we'll do it live." Okay, there we go. Okay, so what I'll do is I will screenshot the whole visible page. There we go. Okay, so now I got it saved, and then I'm going to download that bad boy, get rid of that, and get rid of that. So I'll update that, guys, and I'll let you all, or I'll let other people know if they want to save some bucks, if they're going to order the system anyway. We don't push people here to buy systems. If you want to buy one, cool. If you don't, that's cool. We will always talk about the systems and the things we like. All right, guys. Well, I guess there's nothing else to say. Ramble on. Be safe. If you want to save some bucks, use the code. Thank you for supporting the channel, and we'll see you here next time on Ramblin Bob Reviews. Bye, guys.